So recently, given that we've seen a lot of positive news in the crypto space, di ba? Ang daming mga balita, ang daming mga news, like for example, yung partnership ni Cristiano Ronaldo with Binance. Yung second, si Khaby Lame, di ba? Ginawa siyang Binance Global Ambassador. Then Maya added 5 more crypto coins sa platform nila. Then Gcash din, they're planning and working with the new crypto products. And recently, if you've heard the news, si Microstrategy, nag-purchase na naman sila ng 480 bitcoins. Ganun karami, despite that the market is declining. And lastly, si El Salvador naman, even though the market is, negative, sabihin natin declining, they bought another 80 bitcoins. So tanong ngayon, given that we've seen a lot of this news, these updates, are we heading towards the next bull cycle? So in this video, sagutin natin yan. And by the way, before the end of the session, mamaya i-announce natin yung top 5 winners na pipiliin natin. And i-announce ko rin mamaya later on dito sa aking video. And last month, in-announce ko to sa aking TikTok account na mamimigyan tayo ng mga rewards and prizes doon sa top 5 winners natin. Ang gagawin natin itong monthly. So, balikan natin ano ba yung mga nangyari recently. So, first, kung mababalita nyo, di ba, si Cristiano Ronaldo, meron silang partnership ngayon kay Binance. Eventually, they're going to launch an NFT project or mga collectibles na naka-NFT. And of course, malamang sa malamang, si Cristiano Ronaldo yung nandoon. Yung mukha niya yung nandoon, right? And they might be, and definitely, they're going to sell it sa marketplace nila. So, hintayin natin ano ba itong mga to. Yung pangalawa naman, si Khaby Lame. I'm sure nakita nyo na to sa TikTok or maybe sa iba't ibang social media channels. Imposibleng hindi mo nakita kahit isang video niya. And recently, nagulat ang lahat because in-announce na lang ni Binance na he is now the global ambassador of Binance. So, makakatulong ni Binance si Khaby to promote and to educate people doon sa Web3. And of course, NFT na rin. And another thing, Maya, kung mababalitaan natin, di ba, nito mga nakaraan, nag-announce na rin sila na pwede ka nang bumili ng cryptocurrency sa Maya. By the way, Maya is now their new brand. Dati kasi it's Maya, di ba? And there are different platforms or altcoins aside from Bitcoin na pwede mong bilhin sa platform. And recently, ito nga, pwede ka nang bumili ng Algorand, ApeCoin, Avalanche, Doge, Stellar. Kasama na rin sa platform nila. I think total of 15 coins na yung available sa platform, so pwede mo na mabili ito kay Maya. And of course, syempre magpapahuli ba naman si Gcash? And I think there's an announcement pa last year, although syempre naunahan sila ni Maya, but I guess and I think they are ready na sila, kumbaga, na mag-launch ng kanilang crypto product sooner or later. And hintayin natin kung ano ba yung ilo-launch nila na to, no? But I think it's similar with Maya, where you can buy Bitcoin and altcoins sa Gcash. And you know what? To be honest with you, I think almost pare-pareho lang naman din sila. And definitely, magkakaiba lang naman yan sa fees, sa iba't ibang features, and of course, kung ano ba mga additional offers yung ilalagay nila sa platform. But at the end of the day, itong mga platforms na to are there for you to, to choose saan ka ba mas convenient, or saan ba mas convenient para sa mga consumers for them to purchase and buy cryptocurrencies. Ito, sobrang lupit nito. Kasi alam natin na si Michael Saylor, this is not the first time na, of course, ginawa nila yan. Every now and then, they keep buying bitcoins. And total of, nasa 130,000 bitcoins na yung holdings nila. And kung mababalitaan nga natin, recently, they bought another 400 bitcoins kahit na decline yung market and kahit na yung majority ng cryptocurrencies nila, nabili pa nila to when it was around $30,000. So ganun kalaki, I don't know. And I guess malamang inutang nila iba dyan, pero ganun katapang ang Microstrategy to acquire bitcoins despite that the market is crashing, declining. And here, if you see in the article, yung average price nila, sabi ko nga kanina, no 130k bitcoins, nasa $30,000. But, yung 900 or yung 480 bitcoins na binili nila recently at $10 million, nasa $20,000 yung buying price nila. And of course, magpapahuli ba naman ng El Salvador, together with President Bukele, wherein they purchase another 80 bitcoins din. And again, this is not the first time din nagagawin nila ito, no? Because if you watch and binasa mo yung mga articles in the past, marami rin silang mga buying activities, mga purchase with Bitcoin or ng Bitcoin. And if you check the report, right now nasa 2,301 Bitcoins na yung hawak-hawak nila. And by the way, almost $103 million yung value niya before. But dahil nag-crash yung market, alam natin, nag-decline yung price ng Bitcoin, syempre, just like other investors, bagsak na yung portfolio nila. And that's why right now, nasa 46.6 million na lang yung value ng asset nila sa crypto. But I believe that there's still, positive, not short term, but long term in the crypto market. So this time, check natin yung Fear and Greed Index naman ng crypto market. So kung mapapansin niyo, if you're following me in my TikTok account, I think last month, yung pinaka-bottom, nag-6 ito. And unti-unti, nag-i-increase siya from 6, naging 8, naging 9, now we're at 14. Although, if you notice, still, nasa extreme fear area pa rin tayo. So wala pa tayo doon sa area na kung saan positive yung sentiment ng market, and at the same time more people are getting into the crypto space. But this doesn't mean that kung nasa extreme fear tayo, negative yung output nito, because for some investors like me and maybe those people who are buying cryptocurrencies, I think this is also a good buying opportunity. But remember, not financial advice, di ba? If you know how to manage your funds carefully and alam mo yung risk management, so definitely, magkakaroon ka ng opportunity every time na nagde-decline yung market. And ako, gustong-gusto ko tong quote na to, yung laging sinasabi ni Warren Buffett na be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful. So kumaga, personally, again, this is my personal opinion, that every time seeing that there's a decline or nagka-crash yung market, for me, this is an opportunity to acquire cryptocurrency, particularly Bitcoin. Only, again, I'm not telling this to you for you to follow and do the same thing. I'm sharing this with you because kung naniniwala ka that 3, 5 years, 10 years from now, lalaki, magkakaroon ng result, and sabihin natin mag-grow yung crypto market, then definitely, we all know that the market, nare-rewardan nito yung mga tao na long-term yung perspective nila at talaga naghihintay, doon sa long-term benefit and long-term results sa crypto space. And if you check, by the way, the price of Bitcoin right now, we're sitting at $19,100. But if you notice here, after nitong retracement, kasi ito yung peak, diba? So when I plot my fib from here to here, so ito yung retracement niya. So kung mapapansin niyo, right, etong area value na or support level na ginawa natin, nakadugsong nung dating all-time high, ina-break na ni Bitcoin. And kung titignan natin yung price action, naglalaro lang si Bitcoin dito sa area na to, sa level na to, and mukhang hindi pa siya tapos to, nire-retest niya pa tong zone na to. Check natin naman magkano market cap ni crypto ngayon. That's $838 billion. So yung support level niya and resistance level ay dito siya naglalaro sa area na to ngayon. Yan. Recently, kung mapapansin niyo, nag-bottom tayo ng $762 billion. So ang laki ng pinagsak, by the way, because diba nag-peak na tayo ng how much? Ng almost $3 trillion. And that was November 2021 last year, diba? And if we measure that from here, from top to bottom, almost 74.41% yung binagsak ng crypto market cap. Bitcoin's dominance is at 40.7%. So meaning, yung 40% nito, nasa kanya. And some of you might be asking, bakit si Bitcoin number 1? Kasi nga, mas mataas yung dominance ni Bitcoin. So mas mataas yung market cap na nasa kanya compare kay Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies. So, ang tanong ngayon is, are we heading towards the next bull cycle? Now, personal thoughts ko to, personal interpretation and my opinion. Now, in my opinion, I think eto mga nakikita nating news na to, eto mga nakikita nating developments in the crypto space, I think tanim ito. Kumbaga, planting season ito in preparation the next bull cycle, not this year, maybe next year or maybe next halving, Bitcoin halving. But again, I might be wrong. Depende yan kung ano pwedeng mga developments and updates yung mga, pwede pa lumabas in the next few weeks and months. Especially, mukhang hindi pa tapos mag-increase ng interest rate ang Fed. So mukhang they're planning to, to increase more rates eventually, which could affect also not the stock market but also other crypto space. So again, ito mga nakikita natin news, this could help, maybe, potentially, personal opinion ko to, is pwedeng umakyat ng konti, somewhere here or here, then after that, pwede mag-reject. Then, I think, kung magtutuloy-tuloy yung bear cycle, pwede patuntaman, or pwede umabot ng $10,000. Again, this is my personal opinion. And as always, not financial advice, and I might be wrong because anything could happen differently in the crypto space. And as I promised, before the end of this session, i-announce ko na ngayon sino yung top 5 winners natin na mananalo ng tig for 500 pesos. Plus, I'll give you a copy of my ebook, The 5-Step Cryptocurrency Handbook for Beginners. So, itong book na to is designed for, for people who would like to start their crypto journey. As in, kung zero knowledge ka, gusto matutunan, wala kang, technical background about the space, about the crypto market. So, this book could guide you through the process. Because of that, first, I'd like to congratulate Joshua Nueno. So, Joshua, congratulations. Ito, sobrang solid nito. Lagi ito nanonood ng videos ko sa TikTok and YouTube. So, congratulations, Joshua. Shout out din sa'yo. Next winner natin is si Darwin Limpin. So, Darwin, congratulations. So, if you guys are watching, by the way, i-comment nyo yung, mag-comment kayo sa video na ito so alam ko na nakita nyo, napanood nyo, and you're aware that you are the winner dito sa session natin na to. Another winner natin is si Good Life. Ayan, yung kanyang kinoment. So, congratulations, Good Life. Next naman, si Chini Peligro. So, congratulations, Chini. And lastly, si Marian Aliporo. Ayan, congratulations to all of you. So, again, mag-comment lang kayo dito sa video na to if you guys are watching so that I know na nakita ninyo and you guys are aware that you are the winner from this session. And every month, gagawin natin to. So, for the month of July, same mechanics. So, if you haven't watched that video on TikTok, so again, the mechanics is you follow me on TikTok, follow me on YouTube, and watch any of my videos in my YouTube channel and mag-comment ka lang ng ano ba yung mga learnings lessons na natutunan mo while watching that video. At kung tingin mo nakatulong sa itong video na to and yung mga videos ko na pinapublish regularly, subscribe ka in my channel and click mo na yung bell button below para ma-notify ka ng ating next video. And if you have questions, let me know in the comment section ano ba yung mga topics na gusto mong gawin natin sa mga susunod na video. Jonathan Tinoco here. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video.